Now we are discussing about electrical services. In that today we are discussing about LED light assembly. What materials are used to make LEDs? The main semiconductor materials used to manufacture LEDs are INJAN, that is indium gallium nitride, blue, green and ultraviolet high brightness LEDs, aluminium, gallium, indium phosphide, that is AIGAINP, yellow, orange and red high brightness LEDs, aluminium, gallium arsenide and red infrared LEDs. The anatomy of LED light bulb. Lens optics. Due to the brightness of LEDs, a lens is used to evenly distribute the light. LED chips. LED chips are the components that create the light. Heat sink, circuit board, housing, base. And what are the appliances of LEDs? LEDs are used in applications as diverse as in aviation lighting, automotive headlamps, advertising, general lighting, traffic signals, camera flashes, lighted wallpaper, plant growing light, and medical devices. And next point is, how do LED bulbs work? Light emitting diodes. LED means light emitting diodes are semiconductors, and as electrons pass through this type of semiconductor, it turns into light. Compared to incandescent and CFL bulbs, LED lights are more efficient at turning energy into light. Therefore, less of energy radiates from the bulb as heat. And next point is, where are LED lights manufactured? Many aspects of LED lighting are manufactured in China due to great advantages in labor costs and China's significant market share and expertise in electronics manufacturing. However, there are many LED companies that manufacture their own products in the USA and all over the world. But now, beginningly, China is the number one in LED lights manufacturing. But for the time being, by the improved technologies, all countries are also implementing in the same way. Even though we cannot underestimate the power of China regarding manufacturing industry, especially in LED lights manufacturing. Next point is the best light bulbs. Best LED. Philips frosted LED light bulb at Amazon. Runner-up best LED. Best budget. Philips 2-pack A19 LED light bulb at Amazon. And best smart. Philips Hue 4-pack A19 LED smart bulb at Amazon. Best incandescent. Best for bathrooms. Best for kitchens. Best halogens. And next point is, which is better, LED or bulb? LED is much less energy than incandescent bulbs because diode light is much more efficient power-wise than filament light. LED bulbs are more than 75% less energy than incandescent lighting. At lower power levels, the difference is even larger. And next point is, what are the different types of false ceiling lights? LED recessed lighting. These lights are most common. Cove lighting. This indirect light focuses on the ceiling and provides the gentle illumination down the walls. And gimbal recessed lighting. Flush mount lighting. Backlit ceiling panels. Likewise. And next point is best ceiling lights for living room. SL light metal hanging ceiling pendant decorative light. A thing of beauty lasts forever, and in this case it does. US Desire wooden ceiling lights. Homesake wire mesh lighting. Crompton LED panel light. Philips Deco ring LED bulb. And Syska SSK RDL5 S5 watt LED slim recessed panel light. It is cool white and square also. This is the information regarding LED lights. So LED lights are mostly useful to all the people because it will reduce 75% of the current when compared to filament lights. Wishing you all the best.